मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुम क्या कहते हो? What do you say? What do you say? आपके पास क्या है? What have you? What have you? तुम्हें मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? क्या एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? क्या कारण है? What is the reason in? What is the reason in? कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Who is coming? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आप मुझे चोट क्यों पहुंचाते हैं? Why do you hurt me? Why do you hurt me? तुम मेरा अपमान क्यों करते हो? Why do you insult me? Why do you insult me? आप गुस्सा क्यों करते हो? Why do you get angry me? Why do you get angry me? आप देर से जवाब क्यों देते हैं? Why do you respond late? Why do you respond late? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम इतना क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so much? Why do you think so much? तुम चुप क्यों रहते हो? Why do you keep silent? Why do you keep silent? मैं उलझन में हूँ. I am confused. I am confused. मैं उत्साहित हूँ. I am excited. I am excited. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy. I am very happy. मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. I am so tired. I am so tired. मैं बहुत घबराया हुआ हूँ. I am very nervous. I am very nervous. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अब तक कहाँ थे आप? Where were you all this time? Where were you all this time? जुबान संभाल कर बात करो. Mind your words. Mind your words.